the hospital.
Meet the Mitchell family.
How do Mommy,
Very good. Kiss. Mwah. You look so cute. This says Mama's Mini. Momo got her. Mama's Mini. Momo got her this outfit for her birthday. And it's so cute on her. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, just finished at the gym. And yeah, not easy. I didn't film a lot of it, but I filmed some of it. And I'm trying to incorporate some more walking, which is not the easiest thing. It's not easy to get our steps in all the time, especially here where, you know, I don't do a lot of walking like if I was in another country perhaps, you know. Not really sure what is on the agenda today, but guys, I had the most intense, insane indigestion last night. Like, I thought I was gonna have to go to the hospital. It was so bad. Like, I didn't even know that indigestion could get that bad to the point where it feels like you need to go to the hospital. I'm not overreacting here. Like, I literally, and my tolerance for pain is, you know, pretty good, pretty high. And, you know, just being a woman, like, we don't ask for help and we don't complain. And literally, I had to, and this has happened 2 nights in a row, so I definitely think it was a conk. Poor Wayne. I was taking indigestion medication, it wasn't helping, and that's why I was like, this isn't helping. And so I ended up having to like sit up and try and fall asleep, and it was just really, really intense and just very painful, and I don't want to go through that again. So yeah, I know that there are lots of like natural remedies out there, but in the moment I didn't have any of the things that I was seeing, and I did have like, not Tums, but like some other tabs, and honestly the night before I took 2 of them and it worked, but last night it was not working. Trust me, not cool. I literally thought about my mom, who I know used to suffer really bad with it. I don't know how she's doing these days. And I was like, oh gosh, poor mom, like if that's what she was feeling, you know. Like I said, not too sure what's on the agenda for today, but like everything else, I am gonna be taking it one step at a time, hoping for a good day for all.
Good morning, guys. It's Atlas and it's Ozzy. No Bookie. Huh? Hold on. Ivy, wait, no. You want to vlog? She feels that she a big vlogger now, you know. Through me gear one bus the other day. Hold on, wait a little bit. Huh?
Yeah, I want to know where everyone is watching from.
Huh?
I want to know where everyone is watching from.
Where MTM family is watching from? Okay, so Atlas is marking off the register. He wants to know where everybody is looking at this video from right now. Wherever you are in the world, drop it in the comment section. Tell us where you are, MTM family, and make us see what I'm going out there for we. You see me? Guys, don't forget to subscribe. My notice said no for now watch and not subscribe to the channel. Imagine that is a travesty, you know. Support the channel. That's the way how you push the channel, make the channel move forward. You drop a comment, you leave a like. You understand? Just do all of them little nice thing there. But everything helps the growth of the channel. So yeah, as Atlas said, we want to know where you guys are in the world. Tami is around here, so making breakfast. Ivy a clap and a dance. Hold on, Bubba, hold on. I soon give a bus. What is it? Breakfast I eat. Where you going with over here?
I'm having a high protein situation. Yes, baby. What is that fake crying? You want to watch your show? No problem. Say, please, may I watch it? Say, Daddy, why did you turn it off?
Because I was recording and
Say,
it's
Daddy, why
copyrighted
did you
stuff.
turn it off? Ask him.
I asked you kindly though, Ivy. Oh gosh. Cause she had the boss of the place here. Yeah. So it's a breakfast settings. And then we'll get ready.
Yeah, but when? We can't talk, so. But we have a plan.
Alright, good. Alright. Okay. Hi, Ivy. What's up? Ivy's vlogging, guys. Come.
Hi, Ivy. You're vlogging?
Alright. Ozzy with the sparkling water. Yeah. What else you vlogging? Where's Momo? You gonna get Momo on it? Big up, big up, big up, Ivy Cam. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Alright, ready for the road now. Bathe and get yourself together. We have a few stops to make.
Yeah, but nothing crazy planned. Oh, I have a coffee date with Tessie this afternoon too. So I have to be done by a certain time. But
she has camp.
yeah, so after camp I told her I'd meet up with her. So maybe 3 o'clock I'll see her.
Okay.
But I did want to go and check
make plans
Dante.
without me though.
Dante's.
Yeah, chop liver.
Dante.
May I waste.
Oh my gosh. This is the same man who leaves me every night to go and play pickleball. Every single day.
You leave me to go to the gym in the
September
morning
18 to 21.
every single day.
Oh, but you're asleep when I go to the gym and you're welcome to come.
Because I can't take the stress of being awake and you leaving me, I have to just sleep through the pain.
Oh, my bad. Didn't realize that's what's happening. I don't go to the gym every day though. You go to pickleball every day.
I don't go to pickleball every
You
day.
go to pickleball every day.
I do not.
Okay, sometimes not on a Sunday.
Tami, I do not play pickleball on a Saturday. It's just true they
You
have
do.
tournament. What they are.
You do. But it's
Pickleball
fine.
is stress relief.
Well, so it's coffee with my sister.
Not really stress relief. I'm stress free, you know, but it's just an exhaust, you know? I feel like God love that. Like God love to see when you work hard and when you play hard, when you sweat hard. You know, I think it's like this big holistic puzzle of life that is accomplished when you burn, you know? So we say I got Kingston Bookshop. I buy a book, you know. And by the way, people, I'm on my reading tip again. So if you hear me using some expansive words, some words that befuddle you, some words that leave you, you know, wondering what the meaning of that was. Yeah, I'm back on my reading, people.
So the reason why we're going to Kingston Bookshop is because Dante is working there for the summer, and we said that we would pass by and just hail him up in his job.
And we can probably buy some stuff for the kids, because guess what now, you see, back to school is a process. You see, they spend so much time over the summer having fun and watching YouTube and we'll have to get them back into a cycle, back into the groove of
Everybody
learning.
had to pick up their books this week.
Yeah.
Do some form of reading and, you know,
Yeah.
getting back. The big thing that we have to introduce in the next few weeks is bedtime.
Yeah,
We
get
have
them
to
back
get
into
back
a proper
our
sleep.
routine.
Yeah.
Even me, I'm like,
Tami, last night when we said Atlas will run out for me at the 1:45, I said no, this cannot be.
that's wild.
Yeah.
But yeah, we do have to get back on that routine with them. So, and we need to go get gas. So, and it's late. It's like after 12 now. We're really after a late start today. So, let's get going. What is it on the head?
Tami, how you feeling? Yo, people, me fret panay, you know?
You say?
Fret panay, you know?
No, if
In
I'm
the
watching
night,
it
you know?
times again tonight, I'm going to the doctor. For sure.
No,
For
real
sure.
talk.
Because you don't mess with anything that's like in your chest. Sorry. So you might think it's like heartburn and it's not. Because I hear situations where that is, may I watch it tonight? If it happen again, straight to the doctor.
Yeah, stress me out now, Tami.
But, guys, you know, I've been thinking recently, I wonder if I should do a little
What? Laser treatment?
no, Botox.
Botox?
Yeah, lots
For
of
what?
people do it, you know.
Botox not going in your buttocks.
No, but they just you know. What is it? How will you know I'm upset with you if I can't dress her?
Yeah, so you don't need it.
So imagine because Wayne, what are you doing?
You vex with me then, no?
Yeah. You wouldn't know.
You feel straight.
Yeah.
No,
a lot
sir.
of people do it and say it's nice. Nah, I'm not there yet, but maybe.
No, sir.
Everybody who do it, they'll tell me, Tami, you need to do this.
Not a thing that you for it.
Me not say something do it, but me just say nice because, you know.
Mind it go wrong.
No,
and
sir.
your swell like
sir.
whitening.
You have to
the
service the
bullfrog.
car, you know, you don't have to, you have to make sure the car is serviced though. They keep running. You see me?
Mind the Botox swell I prefer it like for waff dog.
What's waff dog?
I just something we hear about when we look a bit on that boat.
I want to say this though, another place that people talk about all the time doing the Botox is in the masseter muscle, so you don't grind. You know how I grind my teeth? Mm-hmm. And they say that helps too. Yeah.
Oh,
It's
so
not
that's
just
enough for looks.
cosmetic.
Oh,
Mommy!
functional.
So,
What?
now.
What throw down?
Okay, now.
The thumbkin is down?
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh. Never mind, Mama's mini.
Hey, she are talking to
Love
people.
you.
What's up? Hey, we shall him look at it.
Yeah.
And the last people who expect to see that. I don't know, Bossing it, you know.
See where they may say wait.
Where you running
You're
at?
not aware.
Him not doing nothing running at.
Find a book there.
I read him, I read books.
No, he is working and he's
As you
working
can
very
know,
hard.
we
Look
saw
on
him.
here,
He was
fool.
working assiduously.
Hi, Dad. We said we have to come and see you. Dude, you look at you.
No, but the line long.
Yes, but what
Hey,
do you
people
mean?
are back. So back to school start already?
Yes.
Alright. The early bird them this now.
Yes.
Oh.
Eat a couple days now and line the outside.
Yeah. Nice.
Atlas loves these books. This is serious, but it's like comic style. See? This looks like a good set for eyes.
Crayons in there too.
First words, nursery rhymes, colors, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we're getting this.
Yo, you remember Hardy Boys?
No.
Hardy Boys used to full of them, the whole of them.
Is this like the girl? I mean, the boy version of Nancy Drew?
Yo, are the baddest book in the
Watch out.
world. Watch out, The Secret of Skull Mountain.
I remember that.
She's on peace. Hey, you know which book we used to love too?
Tell
When
me.
I was a little youth, they had some books where you could pick where you wanted to go with the
Yes,
story. So
yes.
it, depending on what you choose, it a different ending to the book. Yeah, from back in the days, they we think like nowadays alone them people
It's
people
true.
think about them something. But Hardy Boys, drop it in the comment section if you don't know about them book. Yeah. We're not gonna give you an age, but you
Yeah.
understand? As you can see, it's still on shelves now. So.
True.
Yeah.
That was nice. So yesterday I did a live with Active Home Center to showcase their new showroom that's at the store right now. It's phenomenal, so beautiful. And while I was there, I was looking at the outdoor furniture for the balcony.
Tami been going off about it.
They finally have a set that I love, and it has a 3-seater like couch, 2 single seats, and it has like a table that goes to dinner height and coffee table height.
What do you mean?
It just have like a little lever that or like
Oh,
that.
for real?
Yeah,
That's sick.
so cool. So I was like, I'm trying to.
May I go look on it, you know?
Yeah.
You want
we
us to go
should
there
have-
now?
Yes, because I'm trying to convince you to jump on
I'll go
board.
look on it. I never saw the showroom or anything yet still.
Oh,
So
so you want to see the showroom too? You think it's too late to go down there now?
no, it's not. You have all kind of bookings and them thing there, you know.
Well, it's true.
Can't take the juxtaposition.
The what?
I just use some word where you can't. Man.
Oh, you mean because of your reading? Great. Understood. Alright, so you want to go check that out? They also have a fridge where have like it have YouTube on the fridge. It have a screen.
What?
I know. It's
Tell me.
wild. It's wild.
Extra time is coming right out.
I know. Oh, a while ago when we were getting into this parking space, we did have to ride the sidewalk. And when we came into the car, a lady said,
That's because now you had to up the sidewalk, so.
that made me laugh so hard. I said to her, I said, one thing is for true. Somebody always has see you, it's true. Anyway, I am excited to show you.
Big
this.
up yourself, cuz if you see this
And
right
to all
now.
of the cousins that just hailed us up between, you know, the building to the parking lot, and even in the store. We love you guys.
You already know. Alright, so to active video. She's you could have swallowed a horse a while ago.
Actually, Wayne, I might take a little nap. Guys, me and Wayne are gonna whiten our teeth. Smile enough?
Don't mention that on the vlog,
Why?
Bridget. No, them for the see what teeth come back white and nice.
No, them
And I
are gonna say.
oh, the smile looks so extra.
We are gonna favor. You remember when Ross from Friends did whitening teeth and him going in the dark?
You lie.
Teeth whitening is a thing, but it make your teeth very sensitive.
Me can tell you, say,
Careful.
me, nah, go do no, what them start with a fufu something about
Veneers.
veneer.
Yes.
Don't come near me with that.
No, but
Oh,
wait.
veneer. Tami, underneath the veneer, the people, them teeth
Shape
small
of
like
the
some little
fangs.
and then a tic-tac, you know. No, sir. Then when the Gideon start now, I me need a veneer, what you call that now?
Replacement.
Replacement.
Yeah.
And can't find a dentist. Me if you just walk around with ticky-tacky teeth in my mouth. No, brother. And then here the other option, if you know how to shave down teeth, your veneer have a big guy, them have a coat. Your teeth have a double time bigger than us.
Okay.
When you see the people with some big teeth, me don't like that look there. No, sir. Me go and fight with my regular curry stain teeth.
It's alright, we
And
can't
go
whiten
and
them.
whiten
But
and
I
try
bought,
my teeth.
did you notice that I bought the toothpaste that help with the sensitivity? Because them say
I
if you
don't
use,
like that toothpaste,
know.
Tami. They make me feel like me at 95, Tami.
I know.
And we are going with Sensodyne. Me not reach the say it
But
in
no,
life.
I'm explaining my method. So you have to use that for 2 weeks to help to give you the set right.
Oh,
And then when you whiten your teeth now, you have to use that toothpaste to help with the sensitivity. Wayne, it's
so
sensitive bad enough. Right now, as you sit down in front of the AC, if you go so, you feel your teeth cramp you.
me no want to do it. Me prefer yellow teeth. Me prefer yellow teeth.
You can't
Can't do
prefer
that.
yellow teeth.
Me no want to something the
Wayne,
virgin.
let's start today, no?
And Rancy tell me, Rancy say, yo, it not nice. It no
Wayne, but
nice.
them say the one where you go in and do it worse. Wayne, like we just bite, them sell them off on time. And we could just start.
You try that one day.
But it hot,
Overcoat.
man. Tell you say it hot. We do it one time years back.
Me never notice.
We weren't together when I did
Oh,
it.
okay. Not the early days.
And me, I try start. Okay. You can't start that style. You're mad. Sure.
Oh my God. No, Tami said me not trust. Come here, I want the all like it take it up.
Sure.
Yo.
So, how nice is this?
Bye-bye. For what though?
For the whole living room and
Tami, just no bother with me here. We'll now go through this again for the next 10 years. In 10 years, it would be nice. Take a picture for reference.
it's so nice.
What? They had space around here like that? What? No, this is legit.
I know.
No, I never thought there was anything like this.
I know. Look at it.
Ah, yes, big boss. Respect. Yeah, man, respect.
And this is a fridge that has like a screen.
Oh,
You can like write on it and everything.
what?
Look at the stove.
That's
Come
lit.
on. Rain. Look at how big the burners are.
A good fit for our plate spot.
Yes, it's the right size.
Okay.
I mean, I really love this one, but we don't have the space.
This is where you're doing the live from? Okay.
Oh, I want this to win. It's a wine cooler, but you could use it for like other things too. I like the size of it. Nice, though.
You can feel yourself, you know.